ရဲ့ Chom ကဖေးရောက်နေတာပါဒီကွန်လေးလည်းရှိရယ်ဒီအမွေးလှပ်ထားလိုက်အဲ့ဒါနဲ့မြင်ကြည့်သွားဘလော့ကကောင်းတယ်ပေါ့တိတ်တိတ်ပြော
Woke up with the sunlight on my face, coffee brewing in a gentle space. Dreams linger from the quiet night. Here at home, everything feels right. Bookshelves filled with stories untold. Soft blankets keep away the cold. Photos hang with memories tight. In this place, life feels so light. Home is where the heart finds rest, a sanctuary where I feel my best. Walls that breathe and floors that creak. In this comfort I always see. Evening falls with a gentle sigh. Stars appear in a velvet sky. Candles flicker with a tender glow. In this haven, time moves slow. Days can fade, but here I find a peace that soothes my busy mind. Every corner whispers calm and kind. In this house, my soul's entwined. Home is where the heart finds rest, a sanctuary where I feel my best. Walls that breathe and floors that creak. In this comfort I always see. Evening falls with a gentle sigh. Stars appear in a velvet sky. Candles flicker with a tender glow. In this haven, time moves slow.
Woke up with the sunlight knocking. I still heavy, thoughts are hazy. Coffee brewing, cats are yawning. Morning's lazy, sleepy, crazy. Blanket forts in cozy corners. Memories hang like fading whispers. Wooden floors, three tales of old. Every room a story told. Home sweet home where hearts belong. Here's my place, my love, my song. From the roof down to the floor. This is what I'm living for. Windows open, breezes drifting. Curtains swaying, life uplifting. Gardens blooming, colors blending. Peaceful moments never ending. Footsteps soft on carpet trails. Laughter echoes, love prevails. Fireside cuddles, starry skies. Here within my comfort lies. Home sweet home where hearts belong. Here's my place, my love, my song. From the roof down to the floor.